It's all melted marshmallow.
Oh, grab that bag.
What happened? You can eye it. It's going everywhere. It's going everywhere. Good thing I'm here, all right? I think that's 4. Should we want me to mix it?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put Rice Krispies in. Oh, hang on.
You're not really mixing it.
We're going to put 4 of those. We may need more marshmallow. Oh, that's good. That's close.
No. It'll dry up. It'll be too dry.
Well, I think you only put 3 in.
No, I didn't. I put 4.
You did? All right. Okay, so now what do we do? And how many marshmallows did you melt in
Like
there?
10 ounces.
10 ounces of marshmallow?
Yeah.
Oh, look at now. It's mixing up good. Should we taste it?
Hot as shit. It'll burn your tongue right off.
I don't think so.
You don't? It's butter and marshmallow. What's so bizarre about it is this flavor, this thyme and rosemary flavor.
Did you put the thyme and rosemary in there already?
Yeah, so you take it
Or
out.
you mixed them with
yes,
the marshmallow?
No, you mix it with the butter and get the flavor.
Oh, and the butter, and then.
And then you take it out.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, you're eating it.
That's what you're left with. And you put some flaky salt on it. You think I only put in 3? I thought I put in 4.
I think you got it. I think it's going to be pretty good right from that. All right, now do we have to put this in a pan or
So what I
something?
do is I mash it in a pan.
And then what happens?
And then I just let it cool, chill, whatever, overnight
Oh, in the refrigerator?
or whatever. Let me see.
We got to put 2 cups of mini marshmallows in here. That's 1. That's good. 2. Let me try one. Good.
I think what it does is it gives it some substance, because it doesn't really melt.
You want to put pecans in there?
I don't, because I don't love it, so I won't.
But pecans will be good. This is, we're going to have a lot of desserts.
Yeah. I just don't like the fact that I didn't make anything.
Well, you made this.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to make it.
We could always just say we made the pies.
Yeah. It's so hot. I gotta turn the air all
Just
the way
a second.
down. I've been sitting here at the...
So we're going to put it on parchment paper, which is going to trim it first. Okay, there it goes.
Wow, that's so interesting. Huh. That was so funny.
Here we go. Woo! We might fill this thing up fast.
Yeah.
Wow.
Boy, that's weird.
I can just tell you that the rosemary, man, you can taste that rosemary in it.
It's good, though.
It's weird. It's a weird taste. And then we just put that in the refrigerator and let it get hard. Then we cut it up.
You put flaky salt on top of it.
You put flaky salt on the top of it.
You turn the air down?
Yeah.
Wow.
Is there any more left in there?
Yeah.
Let's smush it in.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it all down, honey. What it's supposed to do.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that's a lot. I gotta say these
Yeah.
frosted, these aren't frosted, these are regular
No, just
cornflakes.
regular cornflakes.
They're good. All right, smush. And this, we don't bake it or anything. We
Nope.
just stick it in the refrigerator.
Yep, it's done.
In our beautiful Pyrex dish. That's what you guys want to use. These Pyrex is fantastic to cook in. No PFABs. All glass. I think it's tempered. I'm not sure. I don't even know the whole process, but that's how you make Rice Krispies right there. Then we got to put them in the refrigerator. Now she's going to put a big piece of parchment paper over it. Kirkland parchment paper is what we use. Because, yeah, if you're going to be cooking with parchment, you want to get the best. So we've got parchment under it and parchment on top of it. That's it. Now, do you leave that on top?
No, I have to cover it. I mean, I guess I will for now. So I'm going to cover it with foil.
Oh, okay. All right.
So interestingly good.
This is going to be dessert for Thanksgiving.
I'm sweating. I need my
Get yourself one of these. This is the best thing to make your desserts in and to make all of your casseroles. Pyrex. This is the parchment paper that we use. And there it is right there. Highly recommend it. I forget how many feet this is, like 205 feet of parchment paper. That's a lot.
What is the best thing to cover this with? Foil or plastic?
Parchment paper.